Very heavy snow, and I'll tell you what.
Okay, come on. Wanna go outside? Come on. Oh, where you going? Come on. Alright, come on, let's go see what it looks like. Come on. We're going, gotta go down here. Oh, you're gonna kill me here. Come on, man. Come on, Sandy. Alright, come on. Oh. There is no way we're getting out that door. Oh crap, Glenn. Alright, let's try the garage. Come on. Come on, everybody. Come on. Where are you? Alright, come on, let's do the garage. What do you think, Sandy? You gonna get out here? Glenn, you wanna come see this? Come out here. Alright, we're in the garage. Alright, let's wait for Daddy. Hold on. Alright, we can't go out that way. We're ready? Alright, hold on. Alright, that's not so bad. Okay. Oh, look at your truck. Look at the Jeep. Let's get it. Oh, Sandy, you're just gonna squat right there, huh? Oh, that's a whole shitload of fucking shoveling right there. Oh yeah, you're not going very far, huh? Oh, look at my poor little Jimmy's already getting... That is a whole lot of snow. Not much. Oh, look at they're at. Hey, where are you going? You liking this? What are you gonna do? Go, jump in there. Go on, Sandy, get in there. Go, go, get in the snow. Get in there. What are you gonna do? Huh? Oh, Dad done shut us out. You want back in? Okay, come on.